Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by measuring 1/2 cup oats and 1 cup liquid. This ratio gives a creamy base. Toast the oats in a dry pan for 1-2 minutes until fragrant. That step adds depth. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon sweetener now, because salt amplifies flavor and sweetener rounds bitterness. Once done, pour the liquid in, stir to combine, and move to medium heat. Make sure to maintain gentle bubbling so oats hydrate evenly and don't scorch. Once the oats are simmering, lower heat to medium-low and stir every 30 to 60 seconds so they cook evenly and avoid sticking. Add texture and richness by stirring in 1 tablespoon nut butter and 1/2 mashed banana. Nut butter adds fat for mouthfeel while banana sweetens naturally. For aromatic lift, mix in 1/4 teaspoons cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. If you want brightness, grate a little citrus zest. Make sure to taste and adjust sweetness and salt as it cooks. You finish by stirring in 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk for extra creaminess and a small spoon of yogurt or a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors. Acid balances richness. Transfer to a bowl and add texture. 2 tablespoons chopped nuts, 1 tablespoon seeds, and fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey on top for contrast. If the porridge is too thin, simmer a minute to reduce. If it's too thick, add a splash of hot liquid and stir until you reach the desired.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.